Today I'm making this Omnitrix. Omnitrix, you need a cardboard, a black marker, a green color, scissors and a pencil. So you take your pencil and make a box at the center. And a eraser. So you make a box at the center. So you make your box. So you make half triangle. Like this, and make these fine. Like this. Color the whole entire thing green, but not this one. Color the whole entire thing with green. Only this and this and this. Looks bit nice, and this and this color. So this is the first one, and this is the second. This and this, and color the whole